Hello, this is Fonekong team from China. Now I will talk about A12 CPU of iPhone XS, how to reball. How to reball A12 CPU. First, put the CPU on tissue paper, and then cover with stencil and align stencil with CPU pins. After that, tweezer to press half of CPU. This way we call half by half reballing. Because CPU size is big, half by half will be much better. And apply solder paste to the first half with blade 6 and blade number 4. Apply solder paste to the first half with blade number 4. And then clean it with cloth. After that, right finger press the stencil and move tweezer to another half. After that, right finger hold the stencil and then move tweezer to another half and then apply solder paste on another half. The solder paste is drier, so don't use the wet solder paste with much flux. So before you apply solder paste, you need to dry the solder paste with tissue paper to remove the flux from solder paste. Okay, when finished applying, wipe with cloth. Wipe the second half with cloth. And then hot gun to preheat this half. Warm up this half and then blow. Slowly blow from the corner to the center. Okay, finish the first half. Finish this half. Wait a while for cooling down. And remove some balls. Remove some balls which coming out. This no use. Okay, then move your tweezer to another half. No. Open the tweezer to whole CPU. Open tweezer to whole CPU. And then blow another half. From the corner, also from the corner to the center. Slowly blow. Yes, finish. So finish blowing. You see some small balls on the black IC. You see some small balls on black IC. This also need to remove. Okay, remove with blade like 11. Yeah, remove all of them. After that, we slightly press the whole stencil, and blow one more time. Why we blow one more time? Because we will take off. So blow one more time. When the pins become hard and soft, it will be easier to take off. But when you see some small balls coming out, also need to remove. Yeah, here another small one. Okay, yeah. This one. And then put some flux and blow one more time, because just now we removed the small balls, so already the pins cool down, not easy to take off. So we put some flux and blow again. Okay, blow on pins. And then check each pin under microscope. And then take off with your nail. Your nail to take off. First bend the stencil, and then your nail to take off the CPU. After that, how to do? Check each pin. You see some small balls on CPU, also need to take off. And then blow one time and then finish. Okay, so that's all for this section. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.